Alrighty. It's Wednesday, July 26th. Another green day. We're up 68 on the day. Only took one trade. So, let's just jump into it. So, here's SPY. By the way, today's FOMC day. If you didn't, if you don't trade the markets, I don't know how you don't know that. But, yeah, we still got 30 minutes left in the market. So, yeah, I'm not a big fan of trading on FOMC days, but obviously I still watch the charts, and I found a pretty good safe entry, which I'm about to go over here. So, it was kind of a inverse head and shoulders, but also a breakout. I don't really like to play breakouts just by themselves, but I still had the head and shoulders in there, so decided to play it. So I was trying to play, there's multiple kind of head and shoulders I was looking for, or I guess inverse head and shoulders. So there was also there was this one I was trying to look out for, but it didn't work out. So, and then I think it was this one I was trying to look out for, but the right shoulder was too big compared to this left shoulder, so I didn't take that one. And then this one actually formed. There's a left shoulder right here, head right here, and the right shoulder right here, with the neckline being about right here. Or I guess the neckline being, it was more up here, because I like to buy in when I like the highest wick. I guess it's just kind of like the safest play. So, but I didn't actually play the breakout of the neckline. As you can see, it's like left shoulder right here, head, right shoulder. I didn't play it as soon as it broke out, only because, as you can see, let me get rid of some of these lines actually. I'll show you the ones I actually used. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. So we were in this bigger selling channel, but also we had this buying channel inside this bigger selling channel. So since I don't really like to go long in selling channels unless it's a good entry and everything's there. But we were close enough to the top where I was like, okay, I don't want to take this yet, because if I were to play the breakout, so right here where my cursor is at, we could reject off VWAP or reject off the top of this buying channel and just come back down. In my head, I was thinking I could play the breakout, and then if it hits VWAP or the top of the channel just comes down, I could put my stop literally to break even. That was an entry I could have played, but I wanted to play it a little more safer, just because it's FOMC day and maybe there won't be enough volatility in the markets today. But either way, I played the breakout of it. So let's see what time I entered in at. 8:41. So yeah, 8:41. I guess it was this candle, but it was actually this candle. So you see it's this bigger candle right here. I don't know why they're different times, but I entered at the top of this candle. So I wanted to wait. So yeah, we broke out of this selling channel, and also we broke above this buying channel as well. So I was like, okay, this looks good. So I waited for a candle to close above, I guess, this selling channel. That's what I was mainly looking for. And it closed above, and I got in, which I guess I could have had a better entry. I should have waited for the pullback, because I kind of bought in during a little bit of consolidation for 7 minutes, 8 minutes, and so I was down about half a point, so it wasn't too bad. I had my stop. It was about right here. That was my stop, so 3 points. It was right here. And I didn't really come close, only came a point down, so it was looking good. So consolidated for a little bit, pushed up, but I had my target in my head at this level 450 or 450, yeah, 455, only because, let me pull up Bookmap, because you can see because it was at 45.90. That's where a lot of the selling liquidity was. So you see 45.90, there's a lot of orange right here. So I mean, this is kind of when I got in, or I guess this was after I took the trade, or after I exited 3 contracts, because I like to leave runners just in case it kind of breaks above some more. So 45.90, there was some selling liquidity, and I knew we topped there earlier, so like right here. So I decided to exit 3 contracts right there, and then left 2 contracts for runners. And then also there's the high of day, which also, let me pull up this second screenshot. See if I can just, perfect. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so 45.92 was the high. So I put up before, so this was the high in the morning, so 644. Top there early in the morning, so I knew there could be another rejection level. So on Bookmap, 45.92, there's more orange and level, or orange and yellow selling liquidity. So it wasn't red, so like it wasn't red like up here, so this could have been another rejection. But after we rejected the first time, I thought about exiting up here, but it came down, like it hit it and quickly came down. And then once right here, I just thought to close the position, just because it looked like we were rejecting there. So yeah, I mean, I was waiting to see if we would break above the high and make a new high, but we didn't. So I closed out my position and we just pumped back down. And so after I closed out of the position, I kind of walked away for a little bit, just because I had my one trade. After I didn't think I was actually going to take any trades today, since it was FOMC day. So I kind of did miss a trade. So we had left shoulder right here, head, and then right shoulder with like the neckline being VWAP. So like right there, and I could have played the breakout of that one, but that's just, I guess, a mistrade. Don't know if I really would have took it or not. I didn't have my eyes on the market at that time, because I kind of just walked away. So yeah, only one trade today. So I mean, another green day. So we're up 169 on this account. So looking good, keeping it green. Got a couple more days left on the week, or a couple more days left on the account. So we'll see how it goes.